How to fix MacBook Pro Touch Bar not working. The Touch Bar was introduced on MacBook Pro. It is a touch-sensitive strip along the top of the keyboard with buttons whose function changes depending on what you are doing on a Mac. So let's get started. First of all, check your settings. Go to System Settings, tap on the keyboard, click Touch Bar Settings. A window will pop up and choose App Controls. From the drop-down menu next to Touch Bar shows and toggle on Show Control Strip option available there and simply restart your Mac. Restarting your Mac clears out temporary files, and on Macs with Apple Silicon, it checks your boot disk for errors. Sometimes restarting is all you need to do to fix problems like your Touch Bar not working. Then, simply update the macOS. If you are running a version of macOS that's not up to date, that may be causing the problem, or at least there may be a fix for the problem in an update. Install it by following the on-screen instructions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.